Now, you guys have probably already seen my 440 horsepower B58 in my M240, but what you won't have seen is my stage 3 330 horsepower Polo GTI. And in today's video, we're getting some insane POV drives with it. Now, this isn't your standard Polo GTI. This has been set up from the ground up. Everything is done on this car. We've got a Golf GTI Turbo combined with all the other upgrades needed. So I think without any further ado, let's get some sound clips. Let's start this thing up and let's have some insane POVs because this thing is an animal. Now, this car has been professionally mapped. It's been on the rolling roads. It's had road tests during the mapping. It's had everything done. So the pop and bangs, which I'm not the biggest fan of, they only happen in sport mode, so that's a kind of good thing. However, let's hear it. Now, modern cars, they come with soft limiters, which is just absolutely so stupid. All right, here we go. Engine's warm, we're all ready to go. That blow-off valve, literally, because it's right there in the engine bay, it's nuts. I'm going to limit the talking today. I just want you guys to enjoy the POV. It's a completely different driving feel to the M240i. It definitely feels more, if it's even a word, more go-karty. I'm not sure if that's a word, however, that's how it feels. The 240 feels planted. Even though it's not an M car, it still drives really well, especially the way I've had it set up with all the suspension upgrades. But this thing, even though it's set up really well as, again, with like coilovers and it's had all the work done, it still feels just absolutely like just fun. You can just swing it into the corners and it just wants to just go all the time. And we have the sport mode here as well, so when we put that on, you get a few pop and bangs, and sometimes it's got like this GTR mod where it'll just do like these insane loud bang and kind of hold a flame, which is just mad. But as we're cruising down, let's see if we can get some pop and bangs. Oh, it's a cyclist. Let's not do that next to him, he might fall off. It honestly handles so well. I think as well, because the turbo is slightly bigger compared to the stock turbo that these cars come from factory. Bear in mind, they come factory with like 190 something horsepower, which isn't a lot out of the box. However, with this turbo, when you get past 4k RPM, it just goes. So we made it onto location to what I would call the best road for testing a car like this. Let me show you this. This road is honestly phenomenal for testing cars on. It's really, really smooth tarmac. The car's warm, the car's ready. So yeah, let's have some fun on this road and see what this car can do. Is the Polo beating this? I'm not sure, because that was a pretty good launch. I mean, there's a bit of wheel spin, but this thing, front wheel drive, it's gonna struggle. The torque steer, when you're driving, it's like nothing else. You don't get that on BMs, but on a front wheel drive car, I'm literally like fighting it the entire time. But it's really quiet, there's no cars, and there's no wind. So let's see if we can hear any burbles. And listen to the air intake, as well as the blow-off valve. So the somewhat annoying thing about this car is it does have a soft limiter, and it still has a soft limiter if you put it in first gear with the clutch down and everything. So if it's going to offer a soft limiter, let's at least hear it. It's a little bit annoying, and I think eventually that's something I'm going to have to definitely get coded out, because you want to be able to rev this thing up higher in stationary. I know obviously driving it is a different story, but it would be more fun if you can rev it higher when you're parked up. Alright, we are going to actually have to wrap up this video soon, because I've just realised I've been enjoying myself so much. I've got 10 miles on the range, but yeah, we're literally about a mile away from a petrol station, so we'll be able to get some fuel now. But yeah, this thing is an animal. It just puts the power down so well. If you guys want to see a full build list, let me know in the comment section. somebody crashed here. I don't even know how, but they did. The best part is you don't even have to like go full throttle. You can just feed it on nicely and just rev it out. So we're in fourth right now, and we can literally just drop to third, and I'll show you how well this thing pulls. But now someone's overtaking, so they've kind of just ruined that idea. Anyway, like I was explaining, dropping down to third. It just goes like so quickly. This thing is an unreal car. Hear the pop and bangs. Alright, this is going to be the last pull, because otherwise we're literally going to run out of fuel. Last pull before the petrol station. And there we have it. Now it's time to get some fuel. And there we have it, the POV drive in this absolutely insane Polo GTI. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear in the comment section if you want to see more content like this, as well as POV driving in the M240i too. My last POV video that I made, it'll be linked up in one of the corners here. That was in the 440 horsepower B58 in my M240i. However, I feel like you guys are going to like this one. We've got a massive stage 3 intercooler combined with all the other bolt-on accessories to make this power. And at the back, the fat Golf GTI turbo. So do let me know, do you like this car? Do you want to see more POV drives with it? If you do, leave a comment down below. And also, if you did enjoy the video, you can give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. And if you want to see loads more content like this on the GTI, as well as the B58 in the M240i, which is also stage 2, and that thing is an animal, then you can subscribe. It's completely free and you won't miss any upcoming videos. Apart from that, thank you guys so much for watching today. I'll catch you in the next video with either the Polo GTI or the B58.